O Lord, into your hands I commit the lives of myself and my son.
Are you sure you want to do this, Dad?
Oh, yeah.
Please keep us safe. Don't let me down now.
Go ahead. Start the car.
Okay.
Very good. Now, back it out of the driveway.
Brake! Lord, let it brake!
Oh, there's the brake.
Prayer allows us to bring our concerns to an all-powerful God.
Your speed is good. You're doing okay, son.
He's swerving, oh Lord, help us, he's swerving!
Moving a little too close to the center line.
Sorry, it helped me go straight.
The ditch! Lord, don't let us run into the ditch!
Cutting it a little close over here, son.
Prayer gives us comfort.
Oh Lord, please let us safely make this left turn.
Can I turn now?
Well, wait for the traffic to clear. Wait for the traffic!
Wow, that was close.
Prayer, it brings us closer to God.
I really feel comfortable driving with you, Dad. Thanks for being so calm.
Prayer can also make us a better parent. Have you prayed lately? Another message from LifeLine Productions, the comic strip of radio, at lifelinepro.com.